Hello guys, welcome back, and in this project I'm going to show you how to control color grading of this photo or image by using filter, their camera raw filter, the most important part of Photoshop. So let's start. Click on camera raw filter and next wait for camera raw. So there you can see welcome to camera raw 17.1 because this Photoshop is the latest version and this is the new feature of camera raw. You can use Adobe Adaptive Monochrome, SDR and HDR. So click on start and there you have a lot of options. It means you can control the light by using exposure, control the brightness. So if you need to control the contrast, click here, control the contrast. This contrast, exposure are same with adjustment image. So in next you can control the shadow, make a little bit darker and control the white luminance color. There you can see the t-shirt, the backgrounds by using whites. And next there you can control the color. So you can see white balance. So white balance control the warm or cool. I need to use cool color in this photo and control the vibrance and saturation. So this two options control all colors in one click, but I don't need to use this option because I need to control the colors individually. Just go back to effects, control the texture, clarity, the hash and vignette grain. So take a look here. You can control the texture. The texture means the street, the grasses. There you can see. Control all of them to make a little bit sharp. So control the clarity to make a little bit dark. And control a little bit the hash and vignette. So I don't need the vignette for frame of the photo. You can see frame of the photo. These corners will be going to dark if you control the vignette. And control the grain. There you can see the grain, the noises. So I don't need apply grain. Change back to 0. And there final you can control by curves, controlling the lights. So you can using the curve point. The first point mean controlling the brightness like this, and there the next point you can control the contrast. So guys, there is another important part of controlling the color by clicking expand the color mixer, and here you can see the red. So this color mixer divided in 3 parts: HUE, saturation, luminance. It means you can control the color by changing from red to purple. You must use HE. So if you need to control the color to make more saturate, or you need to make desaturate by using saturation. So if you need to make colors brighter or darker, you can control the luminance here. Click here, control luminance. I mean, you need to make brighter red color, you need to make blue brighter color. So guys, let's start from HE saturation. So I need to control the grass. Here you can see the grass. So the grass is first, I need to change the grasses. Find the grass part, I need to make more green. And there you can control the blue. Take a look here. Control the blue color like this, and you need to control the sand, the landscape. You must control from starting the yellow and the orange or the red. Let's see here. So if you need to make more green, you need to make more blue color, you must go to saturation. So this was about the changing color from red to purple, from this green to another green, and now I need to make more bright green. By clicking saturation, find the green color to make more green. Take a look at the grass. So there you can control this part of the photo. Control by using the blue color and control the landscape. So I think color control is enough. So go to color grading. Color grading will allow you to use or make a cool or warm color for shadow or highlight. So if you need to use for both, you must control the midtones. It means you need to change the shadow part of image. Cool, you must control by going to shadow wheels by using like this. So you need to just control the highlights control from this or use this wheel. You need to control both highlight and shadow. You must use this midtones rule or wheel. So what's next? Details. In details part, if your image has noise, you must reduce the noise like this. Take a look at this part, reduce, make it smoother like this. So if you need to make it sharper, make a little bit more sharp. And there you can control the color noise reduction. Let's go to another part, optics. Let's see, optics distortion to control the image's lens view like this or like this. And let's go to lens blur. Let's see if you need to use apply a lens blur. Take a look to the background. It means you can control images focus, defocus. So try now. Let's turn off again. I don't want to use this part. So let's see the calibration. Click here. Again, you can control the colors. Red primary, green primary, blue primary. It means in your image has three common colors. The green, the red with the skin back, and the blue with this back, with the sky, and with the trash. Also, and now let's click OK. Wait for the result. Don't forget you can control, you can clean this watermarks and make compare. Go to image, make a duplicate, click OK. Go back to your first image and go to file, make repair. And go back to window, go to arrange, click here to up horizontal. So after this, hold Alt key, click here, zoom out, see the result. Zoom out and unlock this image. Hold Alt key to make a little bit, kill up the side. And let's see the result right there. Need more scale. Oh guys, you can see the result. This image is the previous before and this image is after color grading. So in final part we must change the sky. So how to do this? You must go to edit and go to sky replacement. Click here. Take a look. The sky looks like a clouds white color. It means you must change the sky into cloudy and into gray color. Click on sky replacement and wait for load. So there you can see the result. It means you must change the sky. I need to select sky. This one is not bad. Click OK. So you can control the sky fade, brightness, temperature, scale, and finally click OK. So I need to move a little bit down. Alt Shift by using on keyboard. Move down. So there is a little bit problem at the bottom. I need to make a merge layer from all of these by using hold Alt Control Shift with press E. Hold Control Alt Shift E. There you can see one single image and hold Alt key to make fill up the size. And now this is your final image. You can save it by going to file and click on save a copy. Save original copy in JPEG format. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to color grade image in Adobe Photoshop CC 2025.